Hey guys, I apologize for not getting a video out sooner. As you can see behind me, it's camping season now. So the RV repairs and the camp builds has kept me super busy to where I haven't had time to put a video together. But I thought I'd take a minute today and go over some general maintenance and things that way and kind of give you an overall look of not only how this applies to camps, but also trailers in general. So hope you enjoy. Hey guys, today at Peak Mtn Camps, I want to go over how to adjust electric brakes. This isn't just strictly to camps. This is to really any of the travel trailers out there that are using electric brakes. So today we've got Camp 216. Now, any of you that are watching my channel, chances are you know Camp 216 from YouTube. It was bought from us quite a few years back now, and then it was just recently purchased by a couple here locally. And so it's in here for some just routine maintenance. So I'm going to go through, adjust the brakes, make sure everything's good that way. But I thought it would be a good opportunity to show you guys how to adjust brakes. Might be a little easier to describe the process with this set of axles that I have out of the camp. Now this particular axle is for a frame that I'm just starting, but these customers wanted their camp a little lower to the ground, and so this one is an undersprung setup, meaning that the leaf spring goes underneath the axle to keep that axle a little bit higher to the frame and keep that center of gravity down. Now, the hard thing about these undersprung axles, which the majority of your camp trailers, your travel trailers, will have the undersprung setup. Now, when I say it's a little more difficult that way, your adjustment for the brakes is actually right underneath. There's a little slot, and what it's got is it's got a star nut on it, and you'll take a flat blade screwdriver and you'll just turn that nut. The process that I like to use is I'll jack the camp up, get that tire up in the air to where I can spin it freely, okay? And then I'll spin it freely as I adjust that. Once I start to feel resistance, I'll back it off one click and the brakes are adjusted. You'll find that over time, just like your cars or anything, these pads wear down to where they're gonna need to be adjusted. But like I say, this isn't specifically to camps. This applies to all your travel trailers that have electric brakes. So anyways, we'll get this jacked up, get a tire in the air, and I'll kind of show you that process. That pretty well wraps up our brake job. So as you saw, super easy, nothing too complicated about it. Not really my style of video. I'd much rather show you, show off our product and, all the neat features of it. But chances are, if you're watching our channel, you are probably really into camping and travel trailers and whatever that way. And so at some point you're going to run into this, and either you're going to pay somebody to do it or you'll do it yourself. But I just wanted to show you that. I mean, anything that we can do to make your experiences in the outdoors better, less stressful, things that way, we're all about that. I mean, we want you to be happy and doing those things that you love with the least amount of worries. So anyways, stay tuned. I'll be doing some more videos on products. I'll have this camp finished this week, do a walkthrough of it, get it posted up for you to watch. But if you haven't liked and subscribed, please do so. You don't want to miss out on some of the things coming up. So thanks.